The size of a modern children's room can vary depending on various factors, such as the available space, the age of the child, and the specific needs and preferences of the family. However, here are some general guidelines. For a nursery or a room for a toddler, a smaller size is usually sufficient. A room size of around 9 to 12 square meters can provide ample space. For a crib or toddler bed, a changing table, storage for clothes and toys, and a small play area. As children grow older, they tend to accumulate more belongings and need more space to play and study. A room size of around 12 to 16 square meters can accommodate a larger bed, a desk or study area, storage units and space for playing and relaxing. Teenagers typically require more space for studying, socializing, and expressing. A room size of around 16 to 20 square meters or larger can accommodate a larger bed, a study desk, a seating area, a wardrobe or closet, and possibly additional furniture or accessories based on their interests and hobbies. It's important to remember that these sizes are approximate, can be adjusted based on the specific needs and available space in your home. Additionally, optimizing storage solutions, utilizing wall space, and incorporating multifunctional furniture can help maximize the use of space in a children's room. And by being creative and resourceful, you can design comfortable children's room.
Follow us and get more details.